I'm quite impressed with the facility that you have. Especially, I'm quite thrilled to understand that it's all indigenously developed techniques and technologies that you are using. Quite appreciable. And the facility setup is also excellent.
पहले तो मेड इन इंडिया है, तो मेरे को प्रेफरेंस है कि भाई मेड इन इंडिया का मतलब ट्रस्टेड ब्रांड है SLTL.
Really, I was very much happy or very much glad to see the way stints are fabricating today, and the cutting machines, enormous power, 6 kilowatt, 12 kilowatt. It was really excellent.
So my main agenda is to come here to have a real feel of the 5-axis machine. SLTL I would describe Laser Masters.
They are unique facility, and due to that I am very much fascinated by this Sajanan Laser, and I thank Sajanan Laser for inviting me.
I would commend your concept, that is Shodhak, Sudharak, that concept. The way you are using the 5S principle actually saw the things happening.
I'm very much happy with the services of the SLTL. Every time we got the service within 24 hours.
SLTL जो है ये क्वालिटी कॉन्शियस लोग हैं।
ऐसी एक मशीन सर्च कर रहे थे जो कौन क्वालिटी दे सकता है, तो मार्केट से अपने को रिव्यू मिला। हमने काफी सारे लेजर कटिंग मशीन देखे थे, उसमें सबसे ज्यादा नाम सहजानंद का आया था कि भाई सहजानंद है वो इंडियन मार्केट में पायोनियर है और काफी साल पुरानी कंपनी है।
got to know that SLTL only is the brand who is making the all machines inside.
हमारे लिए तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इंडिया की मशीन है, स्वदेशी है, सर्विस सपोर्ट सब कुछ मिल जाता है।
You are open to us about your technology. This is which many of the companies won't doing.
I think this is a good laser tech powerhouse of India.
I felt everything was well organized, and the team was having a very good organized way of explaining things, taking the participants, and hospitality also was very good.